In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to Claude AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Customize tab over here in the top left, and then you want to go to Connectors here in the left. Now, from here, somewhere on the list, you should be able to find GitHub, okay? It looks like this. It says GitHub integration, so just click on it. You may not have as many things here as me, but just find it over here, and then click on the Connect button here on the right. When you do this, it's going to take you to Authorize. Now, I am signed in already, so I may not have to sign in again, but if you're not signed into GitHub, then you will have to sign in yourself using your credentials, okay? So I'm gonna just click on Authorize Claude over here, and what this is going to do here, it's going to redirect me, and as you can see, I'm heading back to Claude, and here it's going to say that GitHub is now connected, and as you can see, it says I can connect my GitHub account to give Claude access to my repositories, and here it says that it's basically connected, okay? I can go ahead and chat, and I can see projects, Claude code, and more, okay? So it's right now it's connected. As you can see, if I go to connectors, it says that it's basically working. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.